Give me B tier. Let's go to a game that spawned 2 movies that probably shouldn't exist, but do for some reason. Let's play some Angry Birds. All right. I could probably do this. Fuck. Do I have to redo it? Shit. Okay. There we go. Fuck. Come on, baby. God, I just get it all, man. I get it all. All right, I'm good. This is an S tier game. I get why they made 2 fucking movies about it. I get why this game is still popular, and there's 18 different versions of it with Star Wars and Halloween and Easter and also other things that have more birds and more powers. It's a fun fucking game, man. The game is fucking fun. I had a good time playing the game.